Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCLTech Graduate Engineer Trainee biggest update for 25 batch. After completing the online examination, candidate receive the mandatory step for graduate engineer trainee survey mail. So in the video, we will discuss about everything. First of all, apply for opportunity which I am sharing because hirings are good and referral hirings are there, long new hirings are there. So apply for opportunity. Okay. So first of all, I will show you the poll result. This is the poll that I created on our group number 1 and group number 2. They received the skill preference form today and 104 candidates and 117 candidate mentioned there is no update. Okay. One most important point, suppose if you not receive any kind of exam update from the HCLTech team, so don't worry, examination in the form of phases, okay, means the different dates. Okay, so this is related to HCLTech GET, but firstly we will discuss about this HCLTech GET mandatory step for graduate engineer trainee e-school classification public. Dear candidates, greetings from HCLTech. Thank you for your interest for graduate trainee role with HCLTech. In order to process further, kindly fill the form below and share your skill preference by 8th June. Okay, and this is the link. Use the same email ID to register in the above link. Okay, so this is related to skill preference and candidate completed the examination. When you complete your examination June 4, sir. So the thing is, if you received this type of mail, so mention in the comment section that you completed your exam or not. Okay, because I talked to those candidate who completed their examination, they received this type of mail. Okay, so what they are asking in the form we will discuss about in the detail. So like HCLTech skill preference graduate engineer trainee batch of 25, fine. Okay, so UG degrees BE BTech graduation year 25, designation offered graduate engineer trainee, CTC offered clearly mentioned. Kindly use the same email ID, phone number, email ID, contact number. Okay, what they are asking, HCLTech application ID. Okay, so suppose like when you apply for the HCLTech, so on the dashboard you will find your HCLTech application number. This is the ID. Okay, so you have to use the application ID as a part of process. You are required to share your skill preference one most important point, this skill preference is related to HCLTech when you join the HCLTech, most probably. Okay, because your interview will be consist after completing the online assessment, your interview will be on two parts, that is a technical round and HR round. Okay, and it will be on your resume and skill set. They are asking what is your skill preference. Okay, in which skill you are good or you are interested. Suppose I am good in Salesforce, so I choose Salesforce. Okay, next you have to choose the skill preference to I have to choose like I am second base is Java full stack. Okay, third is mainframe. So this type of skill you have to choose and you have to complete the form. This is the complete form you have to fill, like on the basis of skill preference when you join the HCLTech. Okay, when you join the HCLTech, so they will allocate you the particular skill preference most probably. Okay, that's why they are asking all the details in the survey. But one most important point, if you are choosing any of the skill sets, suppose you choose the Salesforce, Java full stack, .NET full stack, so before your interview I suggest please read about that. Okay, इसके बारे में भी आप पढ़ लीजिए थोड़ा थोड़ा, at least you have basic knowledge ये क्या होते हैं. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.